Welcome back to Weyermann's Whimsy. In this video, we're going to make the second card from the August paper pumpkin kit called the Hope Box. To do this card, we need to have the white card front, the pink card base, these 4 banners, one of the round die cuts, as well as the stamp that says "Just a Note of Hope." We're going to need 3 of the little butterflies and the sequins. So let's go ahead and get started with this one. I'm just going to move my camera a little bit. There we go. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to stamp the greeting. I'm going to use my Blackberry Bliss stamp spot that came with it. Ink up the stamp really well. And then stamp it down right in the middle of the circle, and then just pop it off just like that. Perfect. This Blackberry Bliss is such a beautiful color. I'm so excited to do these cards. So what we're going to do, we're going to use our adhesive dots to adhere this to the front of the card, and then we're going to do the same thing, adhesive dots on the banner pieces, and put them on the front of the card as well. Okay, that one didn't get a spot, so let's just add that there. There we go. And we'll just pop the adhesive, the backing off like that. Come on then. Okay, with this one, the backing didn't actually come off of it. There we go. All right, so now we need to center this in the middle of the card. So we're going to just pop this like this, so it's in the middle. And then we need to adhere these, and they are all with the dots. But these ones, this one here and this one here, are a little higher, and they're underneath the other ones. So we'll put those ones on first so that we can layer up the other 2 banners. So we'll do that like that. Okay, and we'll peel those backings off. And then we put this down just so it overlaps the edge a bit and the top just a bit. Make sure we're straight, and there we go. Then we do the same with this one. We're going to put our adhesive dot on the back, one at the top and one at the bottom. Peel those off. And let's put this one down. And it goes this way up like this, kind of in line with the other one. There we go. Awesome. All right, let's put the next 2 on. I just love all the colors in this kit. It is just so vibrant and so much fun. So let's just get this one adhered, and it comes down just a little bit lower and a little bit offset. So like that, making sure we're straight. There we go. And then let's put the last banner on, and then we can put dimensionals on the back of the "Just a Note of Hope" greeting, and we can pop that on the front, add the butterflies, and add the sequins, and we're good to go. And this one goes up this way. So we're going to make sure we're lining up level with the other banner that's layered up on top, and that we're straight. And there we go. All right, now dimensionals for the greeting. They call for 3 on the back, so we'll just put those like that, and we can adhere it. And we're so close to being finished this card. These this month, like I said, I just love this month. And the message that it sends and the colors that are with it. And now we are using just adhesive dots to put the butterflies on. And there's enough room in the body of the butterfly just to pop that adhesive dot on. There we go, like that. And the yellow one goes towards the bottom like this. And the pink one goes at the top like this. And the last one, the green one, goes over here on this side. Oh, lost my dot. There we go. Like that. Oh, now, did the adhesive stay on the card on that one? Yes, it did. So I'm just going to pick that up and then just pop it down like that. It overlaps the greeting just a little bit. And that's the way they've got it designed. And now we need to come in with our sequins just to give this some pizzazz. And we put one down like that, and then one up at the top like that. And where are we putting the rest? We're putting another one right there. And we've got one down at the corner like that. And let's pop another one just up over here for fun. Okay, so that is the second card in the August 2021 Hope Box Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned for the third card project, and we will be right back with that one.